Hello everyone. So it has been a long time since I uploaded. So I'm going to just do a 5x5 example solve in this video. Like always, the scramble will be in the description. So, because I used the Yao method for 5x5, I'm going to build the white center first because I see this bar, and this bar. So I might do something like this, D, F prime, U2, to set up that to make two bars, two long bars, I guess. Then do F prime to make this final bar. Now, after the white center is completed, I see this, which I can solve. Actually, no, I'm not gonna solve that. I'm gonna pair it up with this. So I'll get the same 2-bar case as before. Then I'll just make the last center like normal. Okay, so I just inserted the last bar. So after that, we're going to do the 3 cross edges. So flip this. The other one is over here, so do that. Green. Always match like that. Now we have green and blue across. Now red. And this is supposed to go there. So now after we have completed that, we're going to do the orange center because I already see this bar. So I'm just going to do that. Now we got a square. We only need one edge, which we can get from here. Then we're just going to do it like normal. Let me just see. This, I gotta move like that. There. Now it's the blue center, so do that to make a square. Then probably gonna do this to make the second square. And now I'm going to bring this edge down first because that's how I'm going to work with it. Then just insert it like normal. Now find the final 2 centers after I send that. Oh, so we only have one left. Okay, so we'll just do the commutator. And then that's it. Let's find the last one. It's here. So pair it up like that. And then do this to put it in. And then just restore the centers. Actually, you don't need to restore the centers, but it will be nice. So I'm gonna do that. Do this, flip, go for this, flip, put it here, and then the orange, this, flip, and that, and red, final. It's the last of the top 4. After that, we're gonna do probably the red one. So I'm just gonna put an unsolved there, so I can just do it like that. Then I might put another unsolved and do it like that. And then finally, it's the last one, so. And we got edge parity. So edge parity out. Not so good on 5x5 in my opinion. Yeah, like that, and then just do normal F12. And this, and finally that. I don't have to worry about any more parities because there's only one edge parity in 5x5, which is nice. And that's how I will solve this cube.